Where are you from? Are you from Canada? Are you from Canada? Canada.
China.
China. I am from Bangladesh.
China.
I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Mumbai, Gora, Papaji, Papaji, Cha Cha Gora.
Are you from Beijing? Are you from Beijing?
No, I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbai, Gora Papaji. Gora Papaji, Mumbai. Mumbai, Gora Papaji.
Actually,
Mumbai.
where is your birthplace? Where is your birthplace?
My birthplace, Australia. My learned language, Mumbai, Gora Papaji.
Australia. Birthplace.
Australia,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you so much. What do you do in Mumbai? What do you do?
Mumbai, I had 3 businesses, okay? One clothing, one information technology, so clothing, IT, and food. So food distribution between farmers and markets. I was the middleman with my business partners.
Okay.
But mostly I specialize in low, cheap IT. So if I had, say, 30 business computers, then I would sell to one person. I would move that and sell. Yeah? With clothing, I would work with my Mumbai partner, who is now an animator. He would deal with the transactions. He would get his family to work with the business and the clothing and all that bullshit.
Okay.
Animator drawing of the designs. So I deal in clothing, information technology, and I deal with food distribution between different companies with business partners. That we are in the same stake, except, yeah.
Oh, actually,
That's it.
have you completed higher education? Have you completed higher education?
Yeah.
Oh,
So this computer currently that I am running is a 1440p with an RTX 4090 and an i7 14700K. Now these are many computers that I do. So I'm still now this here
okay.
actually came from India. So this is a void wireless headset. Now it's very old, it's very frayed. But I do have the Logitech. You know what I mean? I have the Logitech Super Lightweight X2.
Okay, I know.
It's about
I know.
$209 yeah. So this is, so I build computers. I actually live in Barossa Valley. I don't control the business, but we have